Hi guys, it's Glory and welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys, I am going to show you or to teach you how to use the VOXPOPME app. But before anything else, I'm just gonna explain to you guys that this app is super legit and you don't need to pay anything before you can earn. And also, I won't get anything from inviting you guys. I'm just willingly, sharing to you what I know and how to earn from your Android phone. And also, this application is not available in Play Store or in any app store. It's because it's not available in the Philippines, but I found a way how to get that one using a google.com, and I already show you how to get the application. I'm gonna put the link on the description below and how to download the VOXPOPME app, because right now I'm just going to show you to make a demo how to use or how to answer the service of this application. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So here's my phone. I am going to VOXPOPME. There. Here you go. It's loading. There. So I have a survey here. Oh, I already have lots of questions. So here guys, I have 3 questions I need to answer. As you can see, that 55 cents, that's like 25 peso, and 55 cents, 25 peso, yeah. And this is 30 something and 30 something. So that's not bad, right? So I'm going to answer the question, what do you think about the use of COVID vaccine? It's hard question, but it's safe questions. They're just gonna ask your opinion about the vaccine. So I'm going to answer that right now. Okay. So it says here, what do you think about the use of COVID vaccine? And they will give you a question details. Question details. We'd like to know what you think about the use of COVID vaccine and why. What do you think are the benefits and drawbacks of the COVID vaccines? How interested would you be in getting vaccinated and why? Okay. So since this is like, very hard question, but I'm gonna try my best. So would like to know what you and don't worry guys, if you're gonna start the task, I just press to start the task. They're gonna put the question below, so you'll have guide, so you won't be clueless. What's the question about? Blah blah blah. So ito na nga. Makikita niyo sarili niyo dyan. Ito na nga sasagutan ko na nga yan So yeah. What do you think about? Okay. What do I think about the COVID vaccine is, I think this is scary a bit, but for me, this is gonna help the people around the world to be safe. And the benefits of this vaccine might be the safety and the cure. I hope so. And I am kinda interested a bit for this vaccine going on, and I don't know if I'm really interested getting vaccinated, but we have no choice. Like, I have no choice but to follow the rules, and I hope this will actually help all of us, because this pandemic really affecting everything. So that's my answer for that questions. And also guys, you have option to play your answer. A bit, but for me, this is gonna help the people around the world to be safe. Sorry for my phone, guys. The benefits of this vaccine might be the safety and the cure. I hope so. And I am kinda interested a bit for this vaccine going on, and I don't know if I'm really interested getting vaccinated, but we have no choice. Like, I have no choice but to follow the rules, and I hope this will actually help all of us, because this pandemic really affecting everything. Okay, that's my answer. I hope they will actually accept it. Okay, I'm gonna, then you have option to, then your next step, is to upload. Oh, upload. Yep, there you go. And then upload. So they're gonna process my answer. Sorry for my phone screen, guys. It's super dirty. Garbage yun ng iPhone, no? Like, wala mo lang may edit-edit ng iPhone. Klaro gapo ng atong mga kuan diha. Itong mga butoy-butoys. Guys, hindi po tagip-tip yung nasa liig ko, guys, ha. Sadyang may linya-linya lang talaga yung liig ko. Like, since birth. Ganyan na po yung liig ko, guys. Huwag nyo na akong i-basta sa liig ko. Tao lang din po ako. Nasasaktan. Pinupulot nyo ako. Wala na po akong kasalanan sa inyo. Sana naman maintindihan nyo yung side ko. Na hindi din ako nagbubulit. Ah! Oh! Acting lang yun, guys. Wala, pwede na po ako mag-artista. Lumilak dito. We may forgive you guys, but the scar will stay there. And it will actually affect our self-esteem. And it's gonna pull us down. Guys, balik lang ako. Kadugay mga upload. So guys, hi. I'm back. Oh! The upload is finished. As you can see, your video was successfully uploaded. So, I don't have to share that. Anyway, guys, so sinasabi ko kanina na hindi ako maka-earn sa pag-invite kasi hindi siya available sa Pilipinas. We had to just stick to the surveys to earn. At may dalawa pa akong question, guys. Mamaya ko na yan, At may susunod pa kasi may survey na naman. Yan. Magku-question na naman sila ng ng reference para sa mga questions mo. So anyway, guys, ito yung mga response ko. Ang dami na. Way back into love. Oh! Ito. So, first ko talaga gumamit, is back. Pangalawang pangalawang account ko na to, guys, kasi yung first account ko, hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko na ma-open siya. Pero dito talaga ako nagtagal. Virgin pa ako dito, guys. Yung virgin moment pa ako dito. Iba talaga. Dito ko lang kita yung mukha ko, yung virgin pa ako. Iba talaga siya, guys. Iba yung mukha ko before. Oh. I heard VOXPOPME app from my friends. Iba yung mukha ko before. Yung mata ko iba. Sakit ang puso. Iba yung mukha ko dito, guys. Ayoko nang tumingin sa mga ko. So, guys, that's it. That's all I can say, and that's all I can explain how to use the application. And guys, if you find my English funny and wrong grammar, don't judge me. I'm just human. Kasi may isang taong nag-comment sa YouTube ko na please speak English, especially dun sa sa video ko about sa VOXPOPME. So I'm really trying hard. I'm trying my best to speak in English, so you guys or other people that can understand our language will actually understand me. So yeah. So guys, guess what? My yung question na pronasis ko, yung answer ko is tinanggap nila, approve, 'di ba? O yan. Bakit hindi o yan na. O approve, 'di ba? O 'di ba? Ito yung question, what do you think about the use of COVID vaccines? Approve. And saan mo makikita yung wallet mo? Dito nakalagay lang siya, wallet. I'm at $12.55. Kasi back November 26, 2020, nakakash out ako ng, nakakash out ako ng 23, yan, $23. Back to November 26, 2020. Yan yun. And then, back, October 12, ito. $20. Again, Shopee, chung. Yan, ito din, April 2020. Ito yung mga, previous transactions with VOXPOPME. So guys, what are you waiting for? Download the app and start your journey. That's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!